Good morning, everybody. Futures are almost flat, and also happy March 1st. Let's see what's going on. So today we have PMI, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI coming at 9:45. We have ISM Manufacturing PMI coming at 10 a.m. And then there's a lot of Fed people talking. 10:15 Fed Logan, Fed Waller, 12:15 Fed Bostic, 1:30 Fed Daly, 3:30 Fed Kulgar. Just a Fed fest today. It's like FOMC. They can move the market. Their comments, just keep an eye on it. Just a note, yesterday market was very bullish pre-market. But then market is open, a little bit jump, and it stayed in a tight range, and it wasn't moving. And then suddenly it started pulling back. So when you see a pullback like that, and then you see 5 minutes MACD dead cross and 15 dead cross, trend changes and can go down fast. And it did go down fast, and puts premium went up big. But then, dip buyers came in. So any day, market is bullish or bearish in general, pre-market, just keep in mind at the open after, 20 minutes, trend can change either way. Always pay attention to the 15 and 30. 30 didn't dead cross yesterday, but it was about to. Anyhow, ES pre-market, 5 is kind of flat, 15 is kind of flat, 30. We don't have a golden cross yet. Last night was interesting. At 4 a.m., when market opened, there was a news on Apple or something. I think it was Goldman Sachs that says, we are taking it off of the best investment, blah, blah, blah. So it made a huge fall suddenly, like 2 points, and then it grabbed futures down. But deep buyers came in fast too. Deep buyers don't sleep either. They're awake all the time. So anyhow, I just note, if Apple continues going lower, keep that in mind. It can drag the market lower, it big time. So, and it is opening below 180 right now. So anyhow, pre-market, the ES15 is up 30, and 1 hour is pointing down a little bit. 4 hour, we are still bullish on the TTMS squeeze after the golden cross, yesterday. But MACD is kind of flat, and daily MACD is kind of very flat. Another thing I wanted to point out is that, Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, he said something very interesting. He said that, in when market falls, everything before that, everything feels great, and right now everybody's very bullish. I'm very bullish too. Everything looking amazing, but you gotta be prepared if anytime anything goes wrong. Just keep that in mind. We are still very bullish on weekly, and then let's go to details. NQ pre-market, 515, kind of flat, and 31 hours pointing down. Is still bullish on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, mixed signal. We'll see what's gonna happen at open. Dow Jones, to every week we get dark blue bar again, pops up, and get light blue bar on the weekly. We'll see what's gonna do. RUT still pointing up on daily and weekly. DXY was interesting yesterday too. It was a huge jump until like 12 o'clock. Once it starts pulling back, market get a little bit more squeeze up. But keep an eye on DXY. Pre-market right now, 15 is up, 30 is upward, 4 hours still bullish, but daily is pointing down. It's all about 103,676 and 104,369. Breaks either one can have a bigger effect on market. TNX, pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 1 hour is upward. 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we got light blue bar. Again between 42.45 and 43.08. Need to break either one for bigger move. Daily MACD is dead cross. That's a good one, but I just don't like the general weekly MACD getting near golden cross. That's not good in general. Weeks. Between 1373 and 1307, it breaks either one, can get a squeezy. Yesterday, when market was going down, it broke 1373, and then it came below it again. So that's something to note. If it goes above it, next target is 1414, 1447, 1479. But if it goes above and come back, then same like yesterday. In general, trend is down on daily. SPX. It's all about 5100. 5100 breaks, 5111, 5128 is the next target. BTC, 4 hour we got dark blue bars. 4 hours actually dead cross. That's not good for now, but it's establishing a range. Halving is, as far as I looked up, halving is in 50 days. Some people that are expert in crypto, I saw they saying that the halving it comes in 50 days. In general, it's very bullish on daily and weekly. Some profit locking already happened at 65k and below that, but we'll see if it's gonna break 65. 65 passes. Next target is all-time high. ETH, same thing following BTC. So let's go to names. Apple, Apple, as I mentioned, went down at after market open at 4 a.m. Went down as much as 178.66. Right now is hovering around 171.59. If it opens and falls, which does have a chance to happen, we're looking at 178.37, 177.23, and 175.82. If it falls, target is 175.82. Below that, next major levels are 173.54 and 171.47. General trend, pre-market right now 5 is down. If the 15 MACD dead cross confirms, it's gonna fall, and 178 is a pre-market low. If that one drop passes, not gonna be good for market. Amazon was very strong to the close yesterday. That was really interesting. But pre-market not showing any bullish sign that much. If it opens and passes 177.43, we're looking at 178, 180.02. Above 180, we are gonna go head for all-time high 182, 185, 188. 4 hours still very bullish. Nvidia was interesting too yesterday. It opened, it was getting very strong into the close, but then it had a sudden dump into the close. So it's opening above 800. Key level, next key level is 811. If it jumps up and goes up, 811 is the next key. I like that the 4 hour is finally golden cross after earning, and AMD has been running crazy, so maybe Nvidia tags along. Before Nvidia, everybody tagged along Nvidia, but we'll see if Nvidia tags along AMD this time. So 811 is the key level to watch. If it jumps up, 811 past 815, 821, 828. But if 800 can hold it, next support 789 and below is those targets. AVGO near all-time high, 3 points away. 1316 is a key level to watch. If that one passes, we're looking at 1334 and 1358, looking very bullish pre-market. Baba, nothing special there. Netflix was strong into the close too. Need to pass 605, 606 for run up. 606 is 606.66. Too many six. Past that one, next target is 611. Above 611, we can run up to 619, 628. General trend is up pre-market on 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour. So we'll see if it's gonna pass 606. Meta showed strength yesterday a lot at the open, and it had a nice jump up, but then it pulls back again. So this one is all about 500. Need to pass 500 to get hot. So 490, 491 key level to watch. 491, 95 if it passes. We're looking at 493, 495, 497, 67 key level. If 500 breaks, next target is 524.41. Tesla, Tesla 4 hours is pointing down, even though it wants to bounce up. Yesterday showed some sign of bounce up, even into the close wasn't strong. But 4 hour MACD is dead cross, and there is some weakness there. Right now, 199.77 and 203.76, just up and down between these two levels. Need to break either one for bigger move. Breaks 203, key level is 205.52. Breaks that one, 207.75. But if 199 can hold it, back to 197 and lower levels. Microsoft was strong into the close too. Key level is 415 for run up. If 415.36 pass, we're looking at 416, 418, 420. But pre-market 5:15.31 hours pointing down. If Apple goes down, it can drag Microsoft down too. Google showed some sign of strength and bounced up yesterday. At open was strong, then it went down, then it bounced up. So it's all about 139.36. I like that the 4 hours golden cross in general, daily, weekly are very bearish. Need to pass 139.36 for run up to 140, 142, 144. But yeah. AMD craziness. If there is any single interested, let me know. Yes, salam salop. AMD craziness continues there. 200 major level, 199.45 is the pre-market high. So if 200.1 passes at open, we're looking at 203.27 next target. Above that, next major levels are 215 to 27. Let me just draw this one before market opens. Maybe it passes. So yeah, if you don't know, my method is I draw Fibonacci between Fibonacci's, but it's very important the first 2 points, the first major one you draw. So yeah, if 203.27 pass, we're looking at 206, 210, 215, 26. Boeing, nothing special right now. It was very strong 2 days ago, but yesterday was weakness. So 203, if you can hold it, back to 200 and lower level. SPY was just up and down, very choppy up and down. And again, it's all about Apple today. Two key levels to watch is 507, 509, 509 passes. We're looking at 511, 513. If 507, 507 can hold it, those are the next support level. QQQ near all-time high. 440, 59 is the all-time high, but yesterday it did pre-market hit 441.4, so we'll see if it's gonna pass. So 441.03 is my key level to fly up above that. Next major level is 445. 439 if you can hold it. 437, 436 is the next support levels. IWM, Papa, need to pass 206 to get interesting. 206.7. Airbnb was a strong jump up at open, but then it quickly failed. If it jumps up again, we're looking at 159, 160, 57, 162, 14. Pre-market not showing that much strength on the smaller time frame, but 4 hours still very bullish. What else? If there's any symbol interested, let me know before I finish the live. Anything gap up? LLY. LLY 4 hours near Golden Cross. I like that one. So if it jumps up 775, 785 is the next major level. MSTR, today is Friday. It's gonna get Lotto players are gonna get crazy on this one because it can make a big move and it's expiring today. And if it doesn't make a big move, it can be a Lotto player's heaven. Just gonna show you the levels if you're interested to play it. PanW. 4 hours curving down there. QCOM, it just keeps going higher. It's all about 160. 160 passes. We're looking at 160, 157 is next major level. Above that, next major long term is 167.12. SMCI, another name to keep an eye on it. Today, I think after close, it's possible S&P 500 announce that which names they're gonna add or remove stuff like that. So keep an eye on SMCI. There is some rumors saying maybe they add SMCI. So I'm just gonna show you the levels. Need to pass if it jumps up 899, 928 is the next major level. What else? I'm starting to watching BRK B2. This one is starting to move big, especially as at 400 premiums are very cheap compared to other names. So when it big moves, it's really good to play. Oh, I miss the snow. The snow is interesting. 4 hour, we're getting a yellow bar. Pre-market 15, 31 hours upward, so it is possible this one to get to 200. Keep an eye on the snow. 122.28. If it passes that one, we're looking at 196.47. Above that, if it breaks it, we're looking at 198, 200, and 203. This one, if the 4 hour MACD golden crosses, 200 is easy to come, and above that is a squeezy, like can be like PanW. Dell is going insane. Dell is just 123. This one is just lucky whoever got Lotto on this one. But I don't have levels on it, but this congrats whoever got it. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Slope, send me a DM. We'll talk about it. Thank you and have a beautiful day and happy weekend.